In this video, I will show you how to integrate Zoho Assist with Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. Once you're inside your settings board, scroll down until you see the Integration section and then click on Zoho. Inside the Zoho Integrations board, you will see several integration options available. Find and click on the second card, which is Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist allows you to provide remote support and screen sharing features directly from Zoho Desk, making it easier to help customers in real time. However, to fully access this integration, you will need to have an upgraded plan. For this demonstration, we are currently using the free trial, which gives access to all premium features for 15 days. And that's how to integrate Zoho Assist with Zoho Desk.